Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm still getting used to this hair. It's amazing. It turned out so pretty. I just love it. The only thing that I hate is you can still see this burn mark when that's when I use the hot comb. I always tell that story, but you know what? I don't even care. We're doing a makeup video today. I kind of want to do a dark, just like a smoky eye, just some really dark today, but also kind of like dark brown because I got somewhere to go and I want to look like I'm inspired or something. So let's get right into it. So as y'all can tell, my hair was wrapped, so this stuff still look like it's wrapped. So I'll fix everything at the end to see if I can cause it's like it's not much hair on it, but if I put product on it, I'll fix it. So y'all gonna have to deal with this egghead for the video. So I'm gonna go and start by moisturizing my face. It's so crazy still. Like I'm not keeping this color. I'm actually gonna be playing with a lot of colors this summer. I do plan on finding a beauty salon because I want rose gold for my hair. I can't do that. See, I could do my hair any other color. I just can't do like that color because it takes like some mixing, and I'm not professional enough to get the color I want. So I'm definitely gonna be playing around with some colors, y'all. And I shaved it also. I just didn't show it on camera because it took too long. I talked about this in my video talking about this hair color, but it took way too long, and I just didn't feel like doing another bleaching video right now. I was like, I'm just trying to bleach my hair. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows, guys, on camera. I know. I did shave these things and kind of shaved out the ends of them. I was like, let me stop letting it grow in. Just letting them, I think I'm gonna wait till they start getting like right here and then I'll shave them because it's just that I can do it how I want. Okay, guys, so I'm choosing not to do my brows. I kind of brushed them up. I really wanted this one to look like this one. And I need to get some eyebrow, like the eyebrow, what is it called that make it so it don't stick? I actually got a little bit clear gel. Hold on. Maybe this will work. I got a little bit of brow gel left. So I'll see if this works. I just been seeing this trend of like, this one just don't want to work, y'all. Oh my God. I'm like, come on. I really wanted like this one. This is like perfect. Okay, so I set my eyeshadow under, y'all. I really didn't want to put none under my brows because I feel like it'll mess them up. Concealer just, well, I kind of want to put some concealer under there because I want to clean this up even more because I feel like it looks too normal. You know what? I'm going to do concealer, y'all. I just keep doing too much. I keep doing too much. That's all it is. I feel like my brows, they just going to end up being normal brows at the end. I don't care. I just need to clean these things up. I'm like second guessing myself with everything I do today. I don't know why. Guys, I went back and forth in my brows for too long. I just had to suck with the fact that I need to clean these things up so they look brand new. So I ended up doing concealer. And it turned out so pretty. I was like, yeah, them things was dry as hell before. I was like, I cannot be walking outside like this. No, that was not happening. I had to fix them. And y'all know me. I do what I do. Okay, so this is how they look after, guys. They look so pretty. I should have just did this from the beginning. I left them, I brushed them a little bit, but I was like, you know what? I don't even care. I just had to get these things clean because pretty brows, clean brows make you look brand new. So now I set my eyes. We're going to go and do my eyes, guys. I set them with the concealer and my powder. So today I'm looking for I want to do a black and brown on my eyes. I'm definitely going to do black under here. It's rare that I do that, but I really want to because I saw this picture on Pinterest and I was like, I want to try it. So we're going full black, guys. I would have done a dark brown, but I think I gave my brown palette to my sister that had all my dark colors, so we'll see. Also, just with this hair, I feel like it'd be really pretty. And this is just going to be on the lid, and I want to just blend this out kind of slowly. Yeah, I did the most trying with this black. I really just wanted the black on my lid, but I ended up having to blend it out just a little bit. Y'all will see. But I really tried to make sure I keep it on my lid only. Oh my God, y'all. It is not easy to blend out black. That stuff get everywhere. I had it on my lip. I was like, geez. So at the end, I'm going to try to lift my eye up and blend like that to make it easier. I wasn't trying to blend this out, but I was like, okay, it would look stupid to just set it on my lid when there's nothing on top. So I ended up doing that when it kind of started looking more grayish. And then I added black on the lid again just to make sure it sit. I really should have just used eyeliner. That would have been really cool. But my eyeliner dried up, y'all, so I had to do what I had to do. Black gets so messy. I tried to do a little brown up here, and also my stuff cut everywhere. So I'm having trying and I fixed everything, and I really just want the black on my lid. And then y'all saw I tried to blend it out first, and that's why I added more black. So we just got to see when I clean this up. I could also easily just did like a full thing of eyeliner too, I think, but didn't want to do that. So I'm gonna add my eyeliner actually. I love the eyeliner because the eyeliner really made it look better. I really should have did a full eyeliner. I think that would have been so cool. But that stuff would have got all on top of the lid and it would have been so messy. I'm actually going to try that though one day. Because I feel like since it's like shiny, if I don't get the matte one, it'll look really good. So that's definitely trying it. But y'all, this black was just so messy. And I was like, the black eyeliner needs to save it. I finished my liner, y'all, and I went like longer with it just so you could see it. I really think I should have did, it would have been cool to do a full like liner eye, but I didn't have enough liner. My liner legit drying up, so we just gotta keep it moving. I'm gonna go in with my foundation, y'all. Everything look good once you clean it up, so I'm not worried. And I'm gonna try to do black under my eye. Y'all know that's gonna take a while, so I get eyeshadow everywhere. Y'all, I was so happy to do my foundation because the black was just everywhere. And, you know, foundation cleans up everything. It covers the black, and the concealer was even better. So I was just ready to go and clean this face up so I can go on and finish it. I really do feel like a spy with my turtleneck, y'all. I don't know what it is. The short hair, you know, they look suspicious, and that's what I love. Goals. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my concealer. It's funny because I look just like an egghead right now, y'all, because my head is so big, and I got to put some water on his hair or something, some product. It's just what happened when because I had it wrapped down. That's the only reason it's like this. I had my hair wrapped down for last night because I put some mousse on it to lay it down. Then we're gonna blend this out. So I don't think I said at the beginning before blending, y'all, I use the color Toffee and Fawn because it makes the perfect tan for my skin. It also matches my skin color, and it's just a little bit lighter than my skin tone, so it's like perfect. It's like the perfect undercolor. And I was looking at the window, y'all, because it was pouring down raining. And I'm like, I got somewhere to go today. Why is it pouring down raining? I do not got time for Mother Nature today. My concealer, this look amazing. I feel like I'm over here looking like was it the Smart SpongeBob? His head was just so boxy. That's why. That's so funny. That's what I think I look like right now, but I don't care. Okay, I'm gonna now contour the outsides of my face, y'all. There's a lot going on down here. I really need to go in and buy some stuff to put my makeup in so I don't have to lose everything. And I need a new bronzer, and I need some more setting powder. Y'all, there's so much I need. I need to just redo everything. And people might not be thinking I'm doing anything with this, but it's the powder, so it's harder to see. Also, I'm darker, so it's harder to see. Not too dark, but. And just because I don't know why I do this, but we're going to continue to do it. Also, I didn't do the blend this part of the corner of my eyes that much because I'm about to put black under here, and it's going to take a while, and I'm going to do that off camera because I already know I'm gonna mess up. It's funny because you know you'll mess up, so you just don't even try it. But I'm gonna have to put, I'm most likely gonna have to concealer and foundation again when I do it because that black is gonna get everywhere because I don't have a black pencil, I have black eyeshadow, y'all. So I'm actually gonna do that. Okay, so I got it, y'all. Surprisingly, it was not as hard as I thought. I didn't actually have to take a lot off. I just put like more foundation under my eyes because it just like messed up, and it wasn't easy because I had the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna do a little blush. So I'm going to do the Santorini. Just on my cheek. This is kind of like it's like the same color as my hair a little bit. So now I'm going to go in. I want to do a little highlighter, but not much. I wasn't going to do highlighter. I'm not going to do highlighter on my in my corner. I'm going to leave that how it is, y'all. So now I am going, no, I don't even know what I'm doing highlighter, y'all. I feel like I'm just doing everything right now. That don't make no sense, y'all. Don't make no sense. So I am now going to finish my face off camera, y'all. I just gotta do my lashes, mascara, fix my hair, or try to fix it if I can. I'm still looking like SpongeBob, so y'all will just see when I'm done, okay? And this is the finished look, guys. I so feel like a spy right now. I got my black turtleneck on. Well, crop top turtleneck. Short hair, dark eyes. I love this look, guys. I put water on my hair. It's just very short. That's all it is. So it's like you can't even tell because I wanted to do my edges. I tried to, but it's just because it's dyed everywhere. But I love how this look turned out. I did my lashes, set my face, did my gloss, and we were ready to go. So on that note, it is really thundering. What the heck? So yeah, I will so be a spy too, y'all. Oh my god, I'll be a good spy too. I would go just to look good. So on that note, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be prepared because I'm going to be dyeing my hair a lot this summer, guys. I'm just experimenting. I'm still going to go platinum and blonde when I go to school, or I might go rose gold because I'm actually looking for a beauty salon to do that. I'm talking about all that on my last video. You can go check that out. So on that note, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at I Am Tatyana Green. Follow my makeup page, Makeup with Tatyana. Follow my blog, I Am Tatyana. And I will see you guys on the next video.